Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove a directory forcefully in Linux. So without time wasting, let's get started. Here I will remove a write protected directory forcefully in Linux. At first open the Ubuntu terminal. Now I will print the current permission mode of the files and directories of the current directory. For this, type ls then space then dash l and then press the enter button. Here we can see that we have a directory named sample and write permission is omitted for owner, group users and other users. Now I will force remove this sample directory. For this, type rm then space then dash rf. Here r for recursive and f for force, then a space, then type the directory name you want to force delete. In that case this is sample. Now press the enter button. Now again I will print the permission settings of the files and directories inside the current directory. For this, press or type ls then space then dash l and then press the enter button. Here we can see that there is no files or directories named sample. That means we have successfully removed a directory named sample which was write protected. Now I will show you how to remove directory recursively in Linux using the rm command. At first open the Ubuntu terminal. Now I will print the permission settings of all the files and directories inside the current directory. For this, type ls then space then dash l then press the enter button. Here we can see that we have a directory named folder1. Now I will recursively remove this directory using rm command. For this, type rm then space then dash r. Here r for recursive, then space, then type the folder name you want to delete. In this case this is folder1. Then press the enter button. Now I will print the permission settings again of all the files and folders inside the current directory. For this, again type ls then space then dash l. Now press the enter button. We cannot see any folder named folder1. That means we have successfully deleted the folder1 folder. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.